السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. تو گائز ہٹمین کے ایک اور نئے مشن میں آپ سب کو خوش آمدید. اس مشن کا نام ہے روز ووڈ. اس مشن میں ہٹمین ایک لڑکی جس کا نام ہے وکٹوریا سے بچانے اور اپنے دشمن ویڈ کو قتل کرتا ہے. تو بنا کسی آواز کے اس مشن کو انجوائے کریں.
Oh, it's you. I'm glad you're here. Victoria's sick. One minute she's fine, and the next she's hardly breathing, and the doctors can't find anything wrong with her.
A necklace.
A necklace? Well, it's on the dresser. She broke the latch, but I fixed it.
Has anyone been asking about her?
No.
They're here. I've got to move Victoria fast. Where's the safest place in the building?
The basement, the basement.
Get down there quickly. I'll meet you there with Victoria.
Yes, of course. Oh, heaven be praised. Oh.
Come.
Thank you. You came back, just like you said. I was so scared. Were those gunshots?
Don't worry. I promised Diana to keep you safe. I know what you've been through. No one will harm you ever again.
What's that noise?
Shh. Don't make a sound.
No, it's just... Oh God, whatever happened to duct tape?
That's Wade. The guy likes his carnage. Sick shit. Gets him off.
I need to get the power back on. Sister Mary is waiting in the basement. I will meet you both there.
گائز ایک اور بات کرنی تھی کہ میری ویڈیو کے دوران نماز کا خاص خیال کیا کریں.
This has gotten way out of hand, man. What the hell are we doing?
Finishing off what we started. Let's go. We gotta find the girl.
They're hurting him good.
Well, if we don't find her, Wade'll rip us all a new asshole. Go and find out what they got. Yeah, we're tearing up the place. No sign yet.
See what you can get out of him. He's useless. we're nearly done.
Wait, sneaky, huh? Just stay put.
Yeah, all right. Can you believe the guy upstairs? He's crying like a little girl. I swear, man, security here is lame. Yeah, I get it. I mean, you know, guys. Cross up your ass. Everyone here? Fucking A.
All right, good. Okay, listen up. Just got off the phone with Wayne, and he is pissed. Oh, man. Says we can't even find our own goddamn dicks. Don't know about you, but I don't like being called dickless. Makes me sound kind of queer. So...
Yeah, baby.
Find that goddamn girl before you tear all you sorry punks a new one. So look hard.
Shit. He's pissed. I don't know. Kind of drifted off.
Get your shit together. If we don't find that girl, we're fucked.
Come on, hurry!
Oh, shit! There is so much here, man! We're gonna be fucking rich!
Yeah. Fucking stay in Toria? This shit can treat that?
I don't know. Sounds fair. I bet if you pop enough, fly like a rocket. Yeah.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
Stop fooling around. Grab what you can. Oh, fuck. Here comes the boss.
Hey, congrats! You are now officially the dumbest son of a bitch I've ever met. And I have 2 cousins who eat glue, okay?
Oh, you should have seen him, man. Pissing himself. A grown man. You believe it? Yeah. You ask me? He deserves it.
Sister Mary. Who are you?
Come on, what's the matter with you? Will you fight back? Come on! Fight back, girl! Fight back!
Hey, wait! I want to be in charge, too!
Papa's little boy. You've been waving that little thing around all day, haven't you?
Shut up, Wayne!
Oh! Oh! You think you're a tough guy, Lenny? Hmm? Tough guy?
Stop it!
Come on, man, you tough guy? Come on, you tough guy? Come on, man!
No! Come on! Okay, I'll show you. Shut up, bitch!
Oh!
Or I'll put a cap in your ass!
Look out, everybody, we better make room for Limp Dick Lenny, come on!
You know what, Wayne? Just... Oh my God! Oh, I got blood on my hand, Wayne!
Y'all see that? This is like pop like a watermelon! Lenny! I'll tell you what, Lenny. We better let the grown-ups clean up this. Boys, keep watch, huh? Nice job, Lenny. Nice job.
Okay, so we got the girl. What now? Let's go.
You stay put until Wade says otherwise. No getting high.
No. The cops could be waiting outside.
Whatever, they can't really be true. Anyway, he's got Wade all fired up.
We're risking the chair because that lunatic wants to stand up.
Keep it down, Jesus! What if that crazy shit hurt you? Just shut up and do what you can.
Now, you cocksucker! Make fun of me, I'll teach you a thing or two, I hope you die! Real hard and real long, you fucking motherfucker! And you, Baldy, don't you fucking move, or I'll put a fucking bullet in her head! That's what I'm saying! Wait, this is what happens when you fuck with Lenny! Don't you fuck with Lenny anymore!
Hope, South Dakota. You're a long way from home.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो या ये मिशन पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को और कमेंट भी करें कि आपने इस मिशन को कैसे खेला। शुक्रिया।